fillings. In a report today, Health Canada says there is no evidence amalgam fillings pose a risk to the general population. But as Global's Robin Percival reports, the government agency does provide a list of precautions.
Claude is getting 2 new amalgam fillings. The material has been used to fill holes in teeth for over a century. But recently it's coming under fire more and more because it contains mercury, a poisonous substance which some have suggested can leak into the body.
For a lot of people, just getting into a dentist chair is scary enough without having to worry about what kind of fillings are going into their mouths. But today, Health Canada released a report that says for the most part, any fears about amalgam fillings are unfounded.
A total ban on amalgam is not considered justified. Neither is the removal of sound amalgam fillings in patients who have no indication of adverse health effects.
But the report released today does contain some precautions. It recommends that dentists don't use amalgam fillings in patients with an allergy to mercury, with an impaired kidney function, with other metal in their mouths, such as braces, in women who are pregnant, or in the baby teeth of children. The president of the Canadian Dental Association says the report plays the important role of keeping people informed.
I have patients that come to me who, despite the scientific evidence that there is no relationship at the current time to illness, still have a concern, and we have to be able to address those concerns.
But Health Canada does admit that a study comparing people with amalgam fillings to those without has never been done.
Such a study has not been undertaken on any large scale. It would be extremely expensive and time-consuming, and it has not been done.
That's just it. There's no evidence.
Dr. Mark Richardson's study contributed to today's recommendations. He says the cons as well as the pros of amalgam should be made very clear to patients.
Dental patients should be informed of that in some way so they can make a decision on what kind of material they want to have used to fill their teeth.
Amalgam fillings are still stronger and cheaper than their plastic counterparts, but with some still holding tight to the dangers of mercury, the debate is bound to continue for some time to come. Robin Percival, Global News, Ottawa.